back, everybody. And before I get started, I want to say real quick, if you like what you see in this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave comments down below, subscribe if you haven't already. And I probably will talk about the Bronco a little bit, not doing any work on the Bronco. Well, I might do some work on the Bronco tonight. We'll see. Let's say not making a video on the Bronco this evening. I have one, I think it came out 2 days ago. Probably pretty much what I'll talk about in this video. If you haven't seen it already, go check it out after this video. I'm going to mention what I did in this video at some point probably. But first things first, I gotta get the smoker fired up. And this is a master-built Sportsman Elite electric smoker. Really like this thing. I used to only do charcoal smoking, and I gotta say I'm very impressed with this. Tastes the same, a lot easier. You don't have to keep watching your charcoal. Keeps a pretty constant temperature. I really like it. And I put an outlet out here. I need to plug the hole up on top of that. I put this outlet in so I wouldn't have to run an extension cord under the door. Not so much a problem in the summertime, but in the wintertime, lets cold air get in. And I should have put it over here. That way, well, I probably still wouldn't be able to reach the outlet with the cord anyway. Got to use an extension cord. So we will get this going. Need to move the truck too. But I'd rather the truck wasn't sitting right there when this thing's just blowing out smoke all the time. Anyway, get this turned on. Let's see, turn it on. I'm going to set the temperature. And we are going to smoke these at, usually I do them at 225. I think I still will. 225. And time, I really don't care. 24 hours. No, though actually they're going to take somewhere between an hour and a half and 2 hours to do. So, got that all set, warming up. And I'll show you what we're smoking here in just a few minutes. Let that get up to temperature first. And what we're going to be smoking tonight, chicken wings. It doesn't get much easier than smoking chicken wings. These have been sitting in the fridge for about 4 hours, and I use this Traeger pork and poultry rub. I really like this stuff on chicken wings. I mix some of this up in, it's just a little glass that I use. I mix this with salt, thyme leaf, and whatever other kind of seasoning you like on your chicken wings. Put it in there, and that's what I put on these. I did run out of this today, gotta get some more. Had enough to get these pretty well coated though. So I'm gonna get these on the racks, get them in the smoker. So like I said, chicken wings, it just doesn't get much easier than smoking chicken wings. And I bought these whole and I cut them up, and you can buy them where they're already cut. You just get, well, that one's still hooked together. I guess I missed that one, but you get the drummy looking part, and then you get this other, I don't know what you call that, flat part. And you have that other little piece, and I cut those off and let the cats have them. But I'm going to get these all laid out and then get them put on the smoker. And like I said, probably going to take about, hour and a half to 2 hours to get these done. We'll check on them periodically, but that one didn't get covered real good. I just sprinkle it over the top of them and then just stir them all around. Like I said, I ran out. That one didn't get much either. Still going to be good though. And today I'm using hickory wood. I ran out of apple, and so I'm using hickory. But you use the wood of your choice. So I'm going to finish doing this and get them in the smoker. So been about an hour and a half, and I just checked the temperature on these. Up to about up to about 150, and you can't see a darn thing in there, but that's where they're at. Gonna be a little bit longer, maybe another half hour or so. As far as the Bronco goes, I got a video coming out on that tomorrow. Well, actually, it's going to be like probably 2 days before this one. Got the vent window out, got the window run, got it pulled out. That is super, super easy to do. And then got the mirrors pulled off, got the lock cylinder out, waiting on the door handle because I still want to be able to shut this door and have it latch shut. I may take this one off though, however. Down in here, if I can see them, the bolts or the nuts for the door handle, yeah, they're right, if you can see them, they're right down in there. There's one back in there, one in there. Those will be fun to get out. But there is a video on doing all that, and then I'm going to take these doors, need to get them sanded down on the inside, all down along in here and everything, so I can get them painted. Not going to be real worried about all this stuff in here. Probably just going to paint down along in here. The panel will cover the rest of that up. I'm not worried about this still being white in there. So going to get that ready for paint. Need to go down to the salvage yard here shortly and find me a decent hood so I can get the inside of that painted. And also going to paint the inside of the tailgate at the same time. And then probably going to get this, roll it out of here, get my makeshift paint booth outside all rigged up, and we'll need to get the inside painted, and I need to decide how much of that I'm going to paint. So I don't think I'm going to paint the whole thing. Floor's all going to be covered up, so probably just paint up in here somewhere. Just get her covered up, but not extremely worried about that. Anyway, chicken should be getting done here probably in the next half hour or so. I'll check it again, and then I'm gonna go eat. So, chicken wings are done. Came out here and checked them. They were up to 165 about 15 minutes ago. We're gonna start pulling these out of here. Now that I got my camera all fogged up. Hold on. So we'll pull this first rack out of here. And that is really hot. I need to get me some kind of a grilling glove or something. Shut this back up. Take this first rack in here. And I'm just dumping these on some tin foil, taking them up to the house. This is our supper for tonight. They are done. So I'm gonna go get the rest of the racks, pile them up here. I may try one here because I am hungry. Alright, I'm gonna try one of these suckers. These look good. Oh my God, that is so good. I gotta take these up to the house. Wife and kid are hungry. We're gonna go eat. Or maybe I should just keep them all to myself. Dang. Holy cow, I took those up to the house. I gotta tell you, that's probably the best batch of chicken wings I've done yet. Wife agreed, daughter agreed. I don't know what I did different. I used hickory instead of apple. I don't think that's it. I think I didn't put quite as much seasoning on them as I had before. All I used was that Traeger seasoning. I'll link that down below. I used some of that, salt, and thyme leaf. Holy cow, those were good. And I just came over here to shut the heaters off. They started up right when I got done talking, and I noticed in this bucket of wood I have here, yeah, there's a pretty good spider in there. Big guy down there. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already. We'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.